Hey, welcome into a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve error failed to connect to Rockstar library service. First things first, open run then type service.msc. Scroll till you find Rockstar game library service properties. Go to startup type and change it to manual. After you have changed it, go to service status and press start. Sorry for that. Apply settings, then go to Rockstar Games Launcher and open it. Wait for it until it launch, and wait again until it finish update.
6.5 hours later.
Finally, that took so long. Wait for it again until it launch, and connect on Rockstar. Finally, as you can see, it worked. Log in and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.